Make sure my curls is really popping. Hi, sweet loves. It's your girl Simply Jordan, and welcome to this video. It has been far too long since I've done that intro, and let me apologize for that. Of course, as everyone knows, it's been crazy around here. But for me, between graduating college, starting work, stopping work, it's just been a lot going on. But we're not going to focus on that today. Today, we are going to talk about hair. And I got to try some new goodies from Traces Ellis Ross's line, Pattern Beauty. She originally came out with her cleansings, her shampoo for medium coils, heavy coils, that whole wonderfulness. And I have those here. But then she came out with these styling products. This is the Stronghold Gel and the Edge Control. I do have her curl cream or her curl gel, but I'm gonna go grab that in a second. But I just want to give you my particular review. I've been going natural now for a while. Before, it was more natural, like I wasn't getting relaxers, but I was still getting my hair pressed and flat iron. But as of maybe the last 2 or so years or so, I've just been kind of rocking natural styles. Like I usually have it braided or some type of twist, some type of protective style, or I'll just have my hair blown out, but it won't be any actual heat to it. But now I've actually been wearing my natural curl pattern. This is what it looks like now. And I really, really like it. This is like my favorite kind of go-to hairstyle now, just a big curly puff. And because I'm starting or really continuing my natural hair journey, if you want to call it that, I want to give Traces Ellis Ross, of course, she being the icon that she is, always rocking her natural hair, I just wanted to give her stuff a try. So I took some footage of when I first used the shampoo, the conditioner, when I first styled my hair, because I had it in twist originally, and then I took it out and had it kind of just like a twist out. I'll show you all that footage and pictures later, but I'm going to insert that here. We're going to talk a little bit more in detail after the footage, and we'll be right back. All right, sweet love, so this is the current state of my hair. I've been wearing it natural for the last maybe 2 weeks or so. Something new for me, but I actually really like it. It is time for a wash though. I've been working out and just working in general, so it's time to freshen. I don't know what that is on my face, but it's definitely time to freshen this up. And lucky for me, there are some new products I get to try. This pattern from Traces Ellis Ross. Now, the line altogether is not brand spanking new. It is fairly new. She already had the cleansing line with the shampoos and conditioners and the serum, but she just recently brought out these styling products. We got some Edge Control, some Stronghold Gel, Hydrating Mist, and Curl Gel. I'm actually going to try all of them together. I hear for these two, if you mix them together, the leave-in conditioner and the argan oil, it's like super, super hydrating, which I need because my hair gets really, really dry. But yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm going to give all this a try. I'm actually about to hop in the shower because I just worked out. And I will let you guys know how I feel. Yay! All right, so this is the back half of my hair. My whole head has been washed and conditioned, but I'm adding the leave-in conditioner mixed in with the argan oil hair serum. You can't really tell because my hair just really sucks up water, but it feels really soft. I think I'm gonna do just some twists tonight and then see what it looks like in the morning. All right, so this is the result of my twist after using the Pattern clarifying shampoo, the heavy conditioner for coilies. I use the leave-in conditioner mixed in with the argan oil serum for a deep leave-in conditioner, and I use the curl cream or curl gel to do these twists. I didn't want to be super hard, that's why I didn't use the hard gel or the whole gel. My coils are coiling, so I'm okay with that. I may leave these in for a day or so just to give them full time to dry and really sit. And plus I kind of like wearing these twists. I can't wait for my hair to get longer so it can like really hang. But this is what we got as of now. I'll probably take them down and then style it and then do a full review of everything all together. So that's coming. All right, so let's get into a little bit of the details of what all I got. So of course I used shampoo. She has just regular hydrating shampoo, but then she also relieved a clarifying shampoo for reset and refresh. I guess this is a little more cleansing, like if you have a lot of product in your hair and you want a deep clean, that's this. And so I used that. That was wonderful. Smells good. My hair felt really clean, very hydrated. It was great. And then I used the heavy conditioner for coilies because my hair gets really, really dry. And as you can see, my coils are pretty coiled. So I use this. I got the small one because I didn't know how I would like it. And I knew I was also going to use her leave-in conditioner mixed with the argan oil hair serum. Now, she says you can use this on its own with like just as like a oil treatment or whatever for your hair, or you can mix it with the leave-in conditioner to add just some extra hydration, which I ended up using, and my hair looked, felt, smells just really amazing. So yes. So, and as you can see in the video, I did have a twist out. Like I washed it, did all of that, and did twist. And for that, I used the curl gel. Now, I was expecting it to be a little firmer, but I do understand why she didn't do that, because she does have the stronghold gel as well. But for the twist out and for it did hold longer than like a cream would, but it wasn't as like a firm hold as like a regular gel would. But I did like this. My hair did still feel really hydrated. I did have nice definition with the twist out, so that was that. And then of course we got to the styling products once I got to this point, and I used the stronghold gel. There she is, beautiful. Sidebar, I don't know if y'all know this, but my favorite color is yellow. It has been for like the last year or so. So the fact that her packaging is just yellow beautifulness, it makes me very happy. But that's beside the point. I just had to acknowledge that because this makes me very happy. But anyway, and then lastly, to slick my edges, I didn't really slick them today. I probably will before I leave because I am going out with some friends. Her edge control, which is actually really nice. I like that they all come with this little lid. All her products smell absolutely amazing. And I don't know, I wasn't really expecting anything. I didn't have super high expectations for everything, but for what it was, I think their products are really great. However, I do kind of wish the stronghold gel and the edge control had a little bit more hold to them, but they still are really good. Like this, I will be slick all day, but I just wish it was a little more hold, probably because my hair is really thick, it's really coily, so I need a good slicking situation. But I really liked it. Oh, also she has the hydrating mist, and you can use this kind of in between washes to kind of rehydrate your curls. I usually, once I do my puff, like if it's been a couple days, if I wanted to have a little extra juice, I'll just take it and just kind of spray it through there and just kind of fluff it. And because it's hydrating, like my curls will still, you know, curl. But I really like them. Overall, recommend at least trying all the products, but I feel that about everything. Try everything regardless of if you hear good or bad reviews about it, so you can get your honest opinion about it, and then you can be on either side of what you've seen. But try everything at least once so you know for yourself. Because it would suck if you tried something, or you didn't try something rather, that you really could have liked, but you went off of the opinions of other people and then missed out on something great. That goes really along with everything. People, well, maybe not, either way. I say try everything. I really love the line. I do plan on continuing to use this. I'm gonna get a bigger conditioner, clearly, But the leave-in conditioner is probably one of my top favorites so far. The leave-in conditioner, the oil, and the spray. The Hydrating Mist for sure are my personal top favorites right now. For the styling, I did like the curl gel for my twist out. I still like the hold gel and the edge control, even though I wish it gave a little bit more hold. It's still really nice. My hair feels really soft. This was, I want to say this is about a week old now, and my hair still feels really good. And that makes me happy. Again, this is something new. Usually I would have been in some type of braid or something by now, but I really wanted to just let my curls curl and let them flourish. And I would have to say, they kind of popping right now. So this is Style Your Pattern, Traces Ellis Ross. Go try it. It's really great. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you tried the product, let me know. If you haven't and you want to try it. All these products are available, of course, at Ulta Beauty. I believe she might have a website for it, but I think for the most part, it is exclusive to Ulta. Everything, again, of course, is really great. I know everything is closed now, but if you can do a store pickup or, you know, order them online to have them shipped to you, I just definitely recommend all you natural or just you want to keep your hair clean. I would definitely suggest trying this line for yourself. But that is it for me. I promise, be bringing you more content. I have a couple looks I have planned that I want to show you guys. I promise I'll be back on my game. I'm coming back. I love y'all. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.